Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Focus. After he had taken the morsel, Satan entered into him. Receiving Holy Communion worthily requires us to first engage in the sacrament of reconciliation. This keeps the mind and heart aligned with the love of God. Otherwise, we leave the door open for Satan to enter, and then trot out all kinds of vain excuses to justify our faults. Jesus had singled Judas out as a special friend by offering him the first piece of the blessed bread. Judas took it in his hand, but the disturbed state of his heart and mind allowed Satan to enter his psyche and block his conscience to justify the wrong he was about to do. When we receive the body of Christ unworthily, we are guilty of sin and bring judgment upon ourselves. I have often wondered how, when Judas received the most holy body of Christ from Jesus himself, the devil could enter him and turn Jesus' offering of love into a means of betrayal. But that is what the devil does. He takes the loveliest things and twists them until they become very ugly. He convinces us that lust is love, greed is motivation, etc. He pumps up our pride to believe we are holy and that we are justified in judging others and even in meting out sadistic cruelty as justice. Fruit. Let us be on guard against the devil, lest he wrap our minds to fulfill his evil designs.